How to get working Applebee's promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Applebee's promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites you can easily get working promo code for Applebee. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer, $25 off, $10 off, 50% off, and many more. Get towards any of the offer that you want to grab. All you have to do is click on it. So here is the code. You can copy it, then click on Redeem at Applebee's. You will be directed to the official website of Applebee's. Now log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, your code will be redeemed. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Scroll and check. Likewise, make sure to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Applebee's. Well, this way you can easily get working promo code for Applebee's. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.